before lapha afike. No one who was scoring goals consistently so. Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah,
Even the Silver nayo. You remember kafika inkomo unama goals amani compared to abantu abathoye lapha abana 3-4 seasons.
Yeah.
You understand? So for me, Ulilepo, I think this season I would say could be something. I think he had a lot to offer, you know.
Yeah,
But
Nami, I believe so. I believe Uguti, he still had something to contribute to what Kaizer Chiefs.
True.
And trying to make something of the season that we are going to. But then we don't know whether what it's business or it's personal. But whatever the case might be, but I think what to Zamila, man. I
business
think what is
personal, the cause business.
Yeah.
At least mina ngizolala ngcono.
Yeah.
At least this season ngizokwazi ukulala, guys. No. As much as start to question imets yaka mphathi ngapha ukuthi we counter kanjani. It can't be 70% right into Lepa yenzile Kaizer Chiefs.
When it comes to scoring goals,
it's how like Lepa, yes, there are few goals that he scored.
few.
Yeah, few.
What's few? If you 2, 3, he scored more than that.
Oh, manje sasizoya ukuthi tweets many.
Dakago, what's important? What goals are they not important to mark?
They are important. All I'm saying ukuthi
Something that we are not being able to do to score goals.
Mina for mina yazi ukuthi if you look at asibuyele kwi DDC Chiefs in a good players, as you said, with someone said akekho mnandi because of bekabona ukuthi angayenza mhlambe kancane lento lepa yenza. I feel ukuthi akanginikanga lento le ebeka manje bengiexpectile or the way istrength sakhe lo muntu une height unani mara uyokumela score amabhola akunamuntu ohitayo lapha uyokumela yohita lelo bhola lelo. So even if noma bangaza bathi okay coach somehow, but now as a player at the end of the day use groundini uyabona ukuthi okay ngiscore ibhola uscorela bani nalela lele le Richards Bay orelande walkora leli goal of the season.
Yeah. Content.
No, besa buku marumo.
Lela bola lelanga bekali square lo muntu loya. Ngaleso sikhathi ali square bekungena muntu still. Shoot bekalisa phezulu kanje ukuthi egijime futhi ayoliheda yena.
I get that. If you ngizokha hita some more goals vele they are controversial ukuthi bekal square bekal core, you understand? But I always say we always argue ukuthi umsebenzi think it's maybe as a striker, right? Umsebenzi wakho yini?
Ukora.
Is to score goals, you understand? So Ulilepo responsibility yakhe bokuyini bamletheleni because bamlanda vele because we are score and he did score. He didn't wait for 5 games or 10 games for him to score goals. The one attack house, right?
Yeah.
Which is the same thing. Ngo Silva.
Silva scoring the first game yakhe. First 2 games.
Exactly.
2 goals.
But Maroko pre-season already besinimwrite write off.
Yeah, kufanele umwrite off. Angithi ubukela ama highlights. Obviously manga bazokuvezela ibhola lithatha wagijima nalo lena walithatha wayalena uzomwrite off that person. Currently I'm saying mina
so you guys really think ukuthi Lepo was that bad?
Okay, mina I think ukuthi potential ka Lepo ayifikanga la bekumele ifike khona and I doubt ukuthi sazokhifike because I'm not saying ukuthi Lepo bad. I'm saying ukuthi I positioning yakhe it was wrong. Decision making it was wrong. So if lezo zinto lezo ama basic lawo akhlulayo, so then it's fine. You might as well go. You might get a younger player ezokwazi ukuthi enze lento le. There were moments where Mdudu Shabalala no Mfundo Vilakazi bathwala Chiefs. Like I think against Abomarumo Gala.
Yes, let's tell us, Dumza. Ukusithwala without results, Chief.
But bascorela against Imagesi, it was Umtu Shabalala, 2 goals. It Chiefs yadlala draw 2-2 lapha. But because of Chiefs inabolepo abazothembisa bangathembisi next game futhi is expected the same young boys ukuthi kube yibo abazothwala team. While umuntu ajumpile waza wajumpa imfule serious ukuze South Africa izosebenza mara ngakore day in day out. It's a problem.
No, but PSL I think ngakore day in day out. No of PSL, so we can't put that pressure on him. Or ngamanga attackers. Ngaphandle kuplayer Sundowns yazi ukuthi hayi khona abo Leon who they always score, right?
And the
PSL
now.
Because even in Pirates, if you can go back Pirates, no one will score day in, day out, you understand? Good Chiefs, no one about Tuba. Utuba on a scatsa, couldn't figure core in that like 3-5 games, I got performing it, understand? But while we lepo, man, for me, I think
we are pressure, yanking I lay. That's why I mean, a problem with Sambile Satisholanda, something is in a Sileta la.
And it did pay him, it did contribute to this.
Okay. As ngicela ukuthi senze njani mphathi. Ngicela uhambe noLilepo, it's fine. Because at least I'm glad uhambile.
Damn. Musa. awuphawula kulena
angeke aphawule ngolilebha angeke mathi uphawula ngolilebha kuzomela siye eDurban siyofuna lela bhola la kabhacele le penalty lala lahleka.
Moving on to our second topic of the day, it's Pitso Mosimane versus the Bafana Bafana saga. So, a former SAFA technical advisor, Mr. Khan, saying Pitso Mosimane is one of Africa's greatest coaches, but not the right person to replace Hugo Broos. So I think we all know Guti Hugo is no longer the coach.
Is it
Sakahambile.
is it finalized?
Yeah.
I don't think it's confirmed. Is it confirmed? Good is.
It is because I need to buy also by uni advisor.
Ban.
Sibamnikeza enye position.
Bamnika position
Shaya boys. Unamandla.
Also coach from home. Aye.
Agasa say head king is it head coach, but Sega advisor.
So practical now we don't have a coach.
Yes. Okay, I'm not sure if like it's confirmed, but I think Silab, similar.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So currently people have different views regarding Dogmela Tate the position ga Hugo Broos, and some of the people feel like Pitso should be like he's the perfect fit for the position. So I think I also want to know from you guys, Uguti, who do you think can replace Hugo Broos, or is Pitso Mosimane a best candidate for this position or job currently?
Okay. Bruce is not going anywhere. That's just my take. I think if Safa wanted Matala Vaile, they should have jumped on to the bandwagon. Yana himself, he said he was retiring. I understand that. And for me now, the way by treating a corner, this whole thing, I think we can see Uguti Bafana Gwenzagalin. They don't want to replace Umatala. So now we will be stuck with Umatala, maybe for a season or a year or two in that capacity until they find their preferred candidate. I don't think Uguti or Pitso will ascend to that position anytime soon. Not while we still have the leadership that is in position currently. I don't see them Pitso Angena Lapana, because if you remember when Pitso left, the same leadership were still in those positions they are holding. So, and it was not a pleasant parting of ways, whereby it was a thank you for your services, you can now depart. It was a very bad split. It's not going to happen.
Okay, can I just read this for you? So they're saying Bafana head coach Hugo Broos confirmed his retirement from the full-time football coaching following the 2026 FIFA World Cup. While stepping down from the coaching, the 74-year-old Belgium is in discussion with the South African Football Association regarding a potential non-coaching role, such as scouting advisor or technical consultant.
Yeah, that's the thing. Here problem corner. That's where the problem arises. What Pitso won't allow himself to work under someone. That's not gonna happen. If Pitso is going to take over that position, he will want total control. And why would Umatala be so full of himself, thinking just because he got us where we are, then he's the alpha and the omega? He should allow a coach is. He never worked under any football. He worked there independent as the coach. He made his own decisions. But once he comes in and becomes a football, he's gonna want to implement his own philosophy. And whoever comes in he needs to have an independent man. This is how I want to structure the national team moving forward. But if Umatala is still there, in whatever role he's gonna be in, he's gonna interfere in the coach edge. That's a given. And if Safa allows that to happen, then we're not gonna move forward as the national team. That's just my take.
So true. Yeah, no, but like for me, like umadala kumele azivayele ashiye phansi ngokuthula shame because bengilonga ukuthi ayikho into especial ayenzile anyway coach Bafana that's the easiest job any national team anyway it's the easiest job that you can ever get. So if uyahlala clearly into azoyenza wena Takhaza uzofuna icoach azokwazi ukuyicontrol uzofuna icoach ena same philosophy le yakhe and Bafana ina next special
and we know who he has in mind.
Uyabona ke
Midnight Express.
So uyeske loyo because noma asiza lapha ejimini kuvele kube mnyama ama player lale so yabona ukuthi kuba inkinga. Mina for mina I will say Upito alright for as long as Bafana okanye isafa izomnikeza full control because Upito is one of those coaches ongeka afuna ukuthi mhlambe a control but ke uyayideserve vele full control. The only problem that we having Takhaza ukuthi football association yethu they don't believe in South African coaches. They will always want to interfere. The only time you see I'm a coach abawanikeza ama free role ama coach wangaphandle so that's the other problem that you are having. Maybe if you can deal with that first ukuthi as in guys allow these people to do whatever that they want to do. Bona bomkwena they can still be able to do that. Abo open imakati they can be able. I don't think ukuthi mina if we coach ecabanga kahle ungahluleka ukucoach Bafana because if Sundowns is doing great with maybe 6 players are South African then you take them. If Pirates is doing great if whoever then special up on all then the rest is history.
Yo and I'm thinking Saito Takhaza. I don't think Hugo is going anywhere. Even now they're just talking good to maybe Bazom keep and technical or maybe advice or anything. But for now I think they're gonna keep him as a head coach. Yeah, but so and Upito as well. The question is he interested as Uguti a coach Bafana? Is he showing interest now because they've been planting him in the Kaizer Chiefs?
No, he showed he's the only South African who no Atazwan ever applied for that position.
I think
Penny McCarthy didn't apply, Rulani Mukwena didn't apply for the job. From what that acting CEO is saying.
I think they know the politics of South African football. Maybe that's why Bang apply, because Upeni and he's not doing well there, so maybe because of politics, but Upito, I think it's looking at the track record, it's not bad, man. Looking at it, because obviously, the track record is everything, right? The experience in the corner, whenever you're applying for a job, they are looking at those things. Okay, what's your track record? And also he moved around a lot. You understand? So and that dominates a lot of so it makes him a good candidate for Utangaba coach.
Yeah, because from what Ukan is saying, he's not really making sense. We need someone with international experience. Upito worked in Abo Pereira, worked in Abo Santana as an assistant coach in the national team.
That international may look by Europe.
No, like you have to. I think the point he's trying to make Upito has never coached any other national team beside Bafana.
So right now they'll make the criteria difficult.
You understand?
That's what they're trying to do. And of us, you know what we do, because I work for the government. So normally I'm posting and but so you know what they do. Baba advertiser, go advert. Bayenza criteria ibe difficult.
Yes.
Or a criteria ifite lumuntu lo abamfunayo. You understand? So if criteria abafungenza ukuthi ibe difficult, they know already whom they have someone in mind. Also, you understand? Because end of the day, these guys, the say, they understand. Okay, we want this guy. And funny thing, we didn't know much about Hugo. You understand? Till Sim Kugula Magafika, right? Upito, we know everything. You understand? Yonkinto, it's there. In our eyes, okay, he's been doing a good job. So I just think good about guy.
Nah, man, I doubt.
The reason why now they're coming out and talking about it because already all of us, like logically, just
exactly.
Yeah. So now they have to come out and back to Shumlido before Ubahave but we know what's area. I think about Fungumkai. Yeah, but who I don't think is going anywhere. Because now South Africans will be angry if another coach comes, most especially if he's a South African coach, also coacher. Then who's this guy? Is it? It's not Xavi, man. There's this or Iniesta. There's this Barcelona Barcelona.
Yeah, he want
Yeah, unzile naseka hindu coach African teams.
Ah.
Ufuna go coach go AFCON. Nan. But I don't think you can afford to pay those guys.
Yeah, we can.
Oh, kubhadalwe lezi zaseBrazil.
Oh yeah, Pereira, no?
Yeah, we can. Can easy. I think now Madala is on a good package.
Yeah, I think it's a meter a month. Masus.
He's on a good
Yeah,
package.
it's good money. Yeah, Musa, let's move.
Moving on to our third topic regarding Patrice Motsepe for a FIFA president. So, South Africa has reportedly begged the CAF president, Mr. Motsepe, to eventually contest the FIFA presidency, although he has not declared his candidacy.
Yeah, I think I've seen, being since the busy trend, I think since from last week,
Yeah.
which they want Upito to
Patrice.
Patrice Motsepe to be the new president if that guy, Asug.
You know, yes,
But I think that guy, there's a lot of politics going on. I think now it's the same issue, no, Mnganga Tumsan, Jordan. Yeah, but Saba Pusho is the same thing now, and so many division within the department and whatsoever, you know.
Yeah.
So, but I don't think they will give a black person, also especially from Africa, also by president. If anybody qualifies, because did you see what CAF by rating number 1 in world this tournament is before the World Cup. CAF was rated number 1. So that also it qualifies him Mutangaba president of FIFA. His track record in the CAF, it's good money wise, it's good, like it did everything perfect, you understand? And my future plans are now for CAF. Those are practical future plans, yeah. So I think the guy with FIFA, I don't think who's special. There's something special, you know. You know why? Upito, Sundowns won CAF, but I didn't even hear a single team. Puma complain about Sundowns was favored because of now owner president the CAF. Understand? I have never heard such stories, you know. So it shows good he's doing good compared to the guy in lower away FIFA. Now there are investigations who favor Argentina. There's those rumors. We're not saying what it's true, but as soon as those such rumors, we are compromised as a leader. Because as a leader, you have to be neutral.
Nalo
In such
PSL.
situation. Nalo PSL. Exactly. It's true. Mina ngifila ngathi masukunjalo. Yeah, yeah, a bit. But you can correct me if I'm wrong, gents. But I think masukunjalo, we are compromised position because in such positions, you have to be neutral. You understand? So with him, he was showing interest like and looking at those Monanyana investigation and pointer back to him favoring the other team. You understand? We're not saying what is true, but for the fact that people are talking about it, then there is a problem. While we have no one is saying anything aligning to that, you know. So for me, I think Umtsipe will do a great job. But I think because of Nukfaga, was one of those guys that will come from Barcelona or Madrid or something, I think.
So before we show what my view, to the World Cup, like this is whatever like out of 10, we need Stumla as well. Without
2026.
So I want you guys to rate the World Cup overall from the scale of 10. Like which one is
Mfethu mina ngikayi 2.
2.
Right.
Yo.
Move away, ungambuza ukuthi why.
2.
Okay.
The causa?
Hayi ukuthi u number 2. Ngikayi 2.
The greatest of all time, you know. No.
I see Arsenal, you know.
Ngasho why no?
Yeah.
Or give us 3 seconds to explain why.
Okay.
Like, yeah, I'll
No,
give you time, but
mina, I'll give you the 7.
Okay.
Same.
7 as well.
Yeah, but 7, 8, 2. Yeah, I will just explain after, but now I'm 7.
Okay, why 2?
Why too? This like a World Cup, it was focusing more on making money than a football. So they were. It's actually pumile nje completely. We soccer, we sports, we entertainment. Yeah, yeah. Like in terms of commercials, like unnecessary water breaks. Finally, in a halftime, 30 minutes. Argentina playing with what 14 players or maybe I don't know how many panel and ever with buyingaki ngaleni but by 3 nabo ngale so it's 3 plus 3 plus 1 so it's 7 plus what 11 so ke wabona ukuthi it's almost 18 players abanayo so there were actually it was 19 including the president there were so many things kule World Cup ebezi controversial like nje ukuthi for mina it didn't like make sense it dragged for nothing actually.
Okay, just a quick one. So you did not adapt to this thing, maybe I'm a hydration break. Like I was able to adapt when isikhathi masilokusama because I think I also had a problem mayisaqala World Cup around June. But mase amagame wala aqhubeka bese ngi-understand ukuthi
23 minutes.
That
I can go have my smoke break.
that's the problem with you South Africans. Ni adjust easy na kunto
it's not about South Africans. I guess I'm also respecting you as your opinion or your opinion yakho ukuthi wena related to. So I just wanted to understand ukuthi why. And phezulu kwalezi athongiyazo zona ngibuza ukuthi so when you did not adjust like everyone else, I think you're not the only person.
No, people never had a choice. So whether you adjust or you don't adjust, you have to stay for that
But
period.
when still you had a problem. So when you did not adjust, mina for one besengijwayela. But when I go base
uMsana bayangabukela amagame akana right to complain
so no ngeke uzongitshela lonto le ukuthi angina right to complain.
bayabukela ama highlights and ama highlights awana hydration break
Whoa, wait.
indaba yakhe lo
Okokuqala you saying ukuthi I need to adjust ukuthi ibhola idlala 45 minutes and then bese bona bayayikhatha bayenze ibasketball. I should adjust to that. I should adjust to ukuthi bathatha closing ceremony bayifaka nge-half time baphinde futhi bayenza futhi like makuphela igame. I should adjust to that. I should adjust to Argentina. No. Angithi I'm supposed to.
I'm asking ukuthi so you did not adjust angithi.
Okay, I did not.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Because,
Thank you.
why are you giving it a 7?
Firstly, Mina, I watched a lot of games. There were good teams, La Pana, man. You know, teams that we never thought Oguti. They play football, but when you actually take time to watch them, you can see, these people are actually here for a reason.
Yeah.
You understand? So for me, now it exposed a lot of countries. If the number was never increased, we were never gonna see because we get to see most of these countries on occasion or so, because you can't just decide to Switzerland playing against whoever abogo regional. You understand it? So it gave a lot of countries an opportunity to see born and I also believe in terms of revenue, I know but football has become such a billionaire sport that you can't run away from it. It's no longer for people in J. People who watch football are consumers, and as a person in business, when you see your target audience, it will be glued on a tournament for a period of over a month. You capitalize on that so that you expose your brand.
Yeah.
For me now, in terms of football, that's where the other 3 points share corn, because of there were a lot of calls that were biased to others and very, very unfavorable for others. That's where the other 3 marks went. But overall, it was a great World Cup.
I think with me, I think Sikhulume nama-chance then sometimes we just have to be honest, it doesn't mean ukuthi World Cup is rated number 1. It means ukuthi akuna World Cup izofika ibe better than ours, right? This one, besides the politics, Trump, Iran, besides the politics, about Argentina and for me, I would say it was well organized. Yes, the hydration break, it's irritating, but we end up just to get my point. We end up not seeing a problem anymore. We know about it, but it was there. There was nothing that we could have done, you know. So, but the organizing for me, I think it was top class. Judging what we host boy three,
Three
because
nations.
I wanted to see what how are they going to navigate it hosting boy three, right? And then number two, if you can go back to World Cup age, some of my games were packed. Most of the games, even 70% of games, most of my World Cup more if World Cup, my game, bebangake attenda unless makudlala bomesi abo Cristiano nanani or ama host paid, you know. So other games they'll give out free tickets and free tickets but still kungagcwali. With this one, I didn't see any game be empty. From to Mexico to Canada to USA, I didn't see any stadium where there was no one, guys. I don't know if it's me, it could be running, but
And
it was packed. Go on, come a game. Whether we see Bukala, smaller game, smaller teams and big teams, our stadiums were packed. That means the atmosphere, it was up according to me. On this World Cup,
hence,
you understand?
and remember, Canada and USA are not footballing nations.
That's another thing as well. You understand? So all of us were like, be happy USA, but eventually, it went there, and it was, and also USA, it's a hub of entertainment. End of the day. You understand? It's a hub of entertainment. Canada now, I can say because it has big people about exist out, you know. So for me, I give it a 7. Because I think it was well organized, and also the attendance got cool. I was impressed. The attendance at my games, because all the games from the first game, there was a point where in Mexico somewhere it was packed, and also Mexican where singing stadium game, they were watching their home game with screen. I don't know if you watched that game where with in Canada, right? While now they are playing, and babugela screen, they were supporting. You understand? To show the atmosphere it is for me. It was just up, man. You know, it was just up because I even saw Ivory Coast. I saw a lot of supporters from those teams about Algeria, Morocco, Egypt. You know, so for me that. For me, I would say it was well organized. I won't lie.
Okay.
Besides the other politics.
So the reason being it's because going back to your topic, because you said you think Mtsipe can be the right person to take over. I personally don't think currently if Bektiwa yes, but to step down manj, I don't think Pito is ready for that. Because Motsepe, yes, I don't think he's ready for that because World Cup it's no longer like before. Like say kuma different countries, you understand? I think Leo inkulu for yena, not to we manage or something, but I think it's still early. I think business wise, yes, wins are sharp, but he was able to do whatever Yenzile when it comes to football because the hosting nation it was Morocco. But if
do you know why I'm thinking he's ready? No? Looking at my stats, IKF it's number 1. What? Looking at my points now, it was too much, right? Another thing, if bazokhetha kubantu abadida so ama-federation lanje ngabo-KF nanani bangakhetha uMtsipo ukuthi is number 1 his favoritism, and also bangafuna ukupusha into bayenze ngoSamuel Eto'o ku-KF, you understand? We don't really need a soccer player or someone who played soccer to be president of FIFA. You understand? Because if I because right now, how many federation like I think my 7 name. Master check it. Yeah, I think so my 7 to get my point. What in this for me, I think even if it's not Pito, but they have to choose
Dilo Pito today.
Hey, wait, that guy. For me, for me, I'm saying it should be someone who's chairperson within those 7 federations, according to me. I'm not expecting to see someone from outside. Also, Sebastian Bominto user would say, this is because Ukraine KF it's the same. It's not far apart. No organize FIFA, no manage FIFA. Just go to FIFA. It's on a bigger scale. World Cup. It's on a bigger scale. You know. So for me, that's why it's because already Bambega number one, right? If Kefa Bega number one, it means there's something that he's doing right. It's not. I think it's difficult for him to adjust. Masugi president FIFA. That's why I was putting him there.
Yeah. Takauza, regarding the question, Yoguchi, do you think Pito is the right candidate? Motsepe.
Guys, Mina, I don't have much to say besides that, Uguti. I don't think the world is ready for a leader of Motsepe's caliber. I don't think his color allows him to be ascended to such a big position in football. So I doubt it will happen.
Yeah, for it to happen, chances are very slim, Takauza. But in terms of like the leadership skill, I think the guy can handle it. The guy can do the job and can do a marvelous one. I'm one person nebeganga call ukuthi angathathi care for Iran, but still we run like I remember there was a controversial nyana we have confederation gulama Champions League nyana lawa wakhona. I think Sundowns angazi bekwenzakaleni, and then he kept quiet, and I was like, it shows ukuthi like he's a right candidate, because if maybe it was someone else because of Rasa, even if noma bebangathi Sundowns bebayenze something wrong, but for the fact yokuthi yena ane history nayo, then besavele futhi akhuluma kakhulu, then bezoyenza le nto leyo ukuthi kuthiwa hayi because of kwabo, but he just kept quiet kwabo, and then kwabonisa ukuthi no, this guy has good leadership skills. So for me rather than ukuthi gijimelele go politic labayana, I think right I push like like ngakule side leli, because uyobalwa impezi different.
Ushuku uthenga abalaleli laba base Eastern Cape abathi Motsepe for president.
Uyabona wangena uyosha usomthola kumadlanga commission. That's the problem. So for me I think yes, chances yakhe ukuthi aye laphayana ngeskin color nanokuthi ubuyaphi are very slim. But yeah, as a person, the guy is capable. For me the guy is capable. I like ngimnikeza yonke into shame. Yabona le 80 le ngithathe ngale ngi edana kuye futhi. Serious.
Yep. So moving on, we have the Saudi billionaire reported interest in SAFA. So reports claim that a Saudi investor, Mr.
Yenaloy.
I can read this one.
You can.
Is interested in investing 5 billion into SAFA, right? So I think the biggest question pertaining this topic is that should SAFA accept private investment if it changes the future of the South African football?
Qatile ngokubuza question?
Yeah.
Oh, angithi awumfaka question mark. So
Okay.
No, because mina nginenkinga nge-riding there due to I don't know what will be the conditions, and the other thing is if we allow such things to happen, then also those people can be able to dictate now ukuthi how do we do things. So that's where my problem is. Okay, so besides that, I think imali sayidinga.
But I think this is an opportunity. Your keeper the
umadala.
Yes.
Okay, what if umadala or but ifike izobheka yena futhi, because angithi lo muntu uyainvesta kuphela. So like you'll never know unless mabangathi le mchita wamaZulu uza nayo, then we'll understand. Nako also the terms that comes with it, because my problem is I inject cash and then I tell you which okay, now this is how you're going to operate, this is what I'm expecting to see. So basesithola lento le yama basketball now yenzeka na ku PSL now usithola ama game wango 3 AM laphana manje kumele sivuke, yabona like nje kunzima. So ngapha bochiko bathi ama TV wabo bewagcwele mara kana TV. So ukuthi it's a problem. But no, imali siyayidinga but asidingi too much interference from outside.
I have to understand ukuthi what are the intentions, what are the plans from those people of or that guy. Understand? If he's interested in South African football, why are you Kaizer Chiefs?
Why Kaizer Chiefs?
No.
Why I
Good,
take it
good
back?
question.
Why I take it back?
That's a very good question.
Why I take it back?
Yeah. Why am I taking one of the big teams game beside the Mamelodi Sundowns because they are sorted? No, like I want to understand what's the reasoning, what's the plan? You want to inject so much cash into a federation. I mean, a federation sponsoring a federation, it's difficult. You have to do a lot of activations, because for starters, Standard Bank pumped a lot of millions into Bafana going to the World Cup. But the sad part about a national team is that you'll never see your brand on their shirt. So you have to do a lot of activations but you are associated with the national team. So why would you take your 5 billion from Saudi, bring it to SAFA, for what in exchange? Maybe the plan is to grassroots, maybe school football, to revive that. But we need to have a clear picture of what's the plan with that.
Yeah, man, I don't think we need his money like that, because of us, with that money of us, they are planning to capture us. That's number one. I think South Africa has enough money, just that we have corruption and corrupt leaders, Imali, that money we pamper into Bafana. It's there, yeah, we understand. So it's not good to be struggling. We are struggling. He must go there, right? While we go to South Africa, right now, okay, what's our account for the 30M by 7 still in few weeks, right? So for me, I think the money, because even how much did they give? They give us close to $1 billion in DSTV. Is it DSTV now? Pay now. Pay pump almost $1 billion to PSL, isn't it? So for me, the Imali Ikona, we don't need his money, And if by Tata, goes about going to I think the corner like within ISAF, I understand. Because I don't, to be honest, we don't need his money. There's a lot of money there, you understand?
We need new leadership at SAF.
Not money.
Not money.
Exactly.
We need new leadership.
If you're going to give us that money, that leadership, we're going to have the same problems. Worse than now.
Yeah, so we need...
So I don't think we need the money. Till this day, in South Africa, they're still rated, in Africa, rated one of the regions where they have money when it comes to football. Our players are still earning properly, reasonable, you understand? So his money, for me, it's the same thing. Who's this guy, Elon Trump, you understand? Once you put in some money, you control a lot of things. Full control, because Nami, I ain't views among
exactly.
You understand? So, and that's my intentions with this guy, number one. Because with that man, he can go to any league. You understand? He can go to Egypt, he can go to Libya, he can go anywhere else where it's even worse. They produce good players compared to us, like South Africa, So for me, I think there's a political interest there, and already we fighting with these Pakistanis and what. I was considering, I don't think we need those problems at the moment. Yeah, but for me, the money we do have in South Africa, let's work on the leadership, then that's it.
Also, it's hard to pull the Vini facial thing. Sing as I'm recognized.
Okay, moving on. We can move on it.
Let's move.
Okay, so just a quick one, Stumzane.
Sure.
Do you think, do you think Argentina deserve to be in the final?
Come on. Ucabanga ukuthi ngikwateleni kangaka?
Ungangithethisi, I'm just
No,
asking.
ngikuthethisela ukuthi ungibuza into obvious. So yazi ukuthi I deserve ukuba lapha. Okokuqala nje, okay, igame engishow ukuthi bekumele ngabe bekuyigame yokugcina yeArgentina was against Egypt.
Yeah.
Yes, that was supposed to be the last game. And bebangeke basirope ne entertainment final like le ebesizoyibona between England and whoever, or England and France, like or France and Spain, or England and Spain.
Yeah.
Ukewabo. So but nje mina for mina I know they never deserve to be there. Actually bekumele ngabe bayithathe konke nale ya 2022 ne nayo bebangayideserve. Ayikho nje into abayideserve lapho.
Okay, the causa.
No, mina. Ay. Oh, umjita man. Ukrandi the way peeling a corner man. I feel they were trying too hard to put his status above others,
Yeah.
current and past. Yabo.
Yeah.
So for how it ended, it's good for football. It's time for a new generation to take over. We put this whole debate to rest. As a team, I think, I wish ukuthi abantu babonile ukuthi Argentina is not only favored by officials, but they are a dirty team bona self.
Yeah.
I hope this final proved that they didn't deserve to be there, but they are not what we make them out to be. They have a good player, individual player, but bona as a team,
Okay. Chico, without explaining, do you think Argentina deserves to be in the final?
No.
Yes or no? No. Okay, so the reason I was asking this question is because I think a topic gets to email and Nayone. So Argentina became the first team in 60 years not to register a single shot during the first 90 minutes of the World Cup final.
They're
As
breaking
Spain
records, they were-
dominated position and control. Hence I was asking this question. So I don't know, you guys can just take me through for like the
Because-
final.
The causa.
Spain included.
Okokuqala nje Thomas Tuchel usirobe something ebekumele ngabe ibe brilliant with I don't know whether it has something to do with the racism or something like that. You can't be having the same players ebekawabeke ngaphandle against Argentina are the same players who came in against France, and they did a brilliant job. So yazin la fitting to Argentina is Argentina ne cabanga kuye Argentina ngibashange bomba yikhona like there is no way guys I'm a defending champion not even a single shot on target the causa
at goal.
I goal ingene 108 or 10 something njengoba mina bengingalibukelanga kuma highlights wami 108 or 10 something. That was the first time nakho hayi nokuthi shot serious le nto leya. There was nothing. And I used to say ngithi mina uMessi you cut his supply. Once you manage to do that uqedile then akadlali uba frustrated yakhahlela abantu bayenzeni kuliwe kushaya ama choke slam manje uzibuza ukuthi like mara besibukeleni bese ngiyiphi ngaki ke leyo World Cup leyo.
But I think Lendo show your issue I think we coach Spain. I'm not sure which one. Ote ukewa coach I think those division angazi like
Yeah.
the lower division.
Uphuma ku development
Yes, I think
under 20 under
yeah. Then uthi there was a time bekumele adlale no Messi. So into ayitshela ama defender akho ukuthi bangamvumeli ukuthi athole ibhola abamgadi. I think bamgada wamkhipha like wachincha scheme ne wachincha yeah. I think it was 80 minutes yeah. Wachincha scheme then Messi wakora 4 goals after lap. So I think usebenzise the same thing ukuthi bangamvumeli ukuthi athinte ibhola. Yeah, ngize bengivumelana nawe. Yeah.
Man, I think for me, I think Argentina was exposed, yabo. And whatever that was happening in World Cup with Argentina, it legacy ya Messi, also the legacy ya Maradona, everyone, you understand? Because whatever into bayenza kuwonke ama games ukuthi bawine. Spain, how they are playing football, it didn't allow Argentina to do whatever they were trying to do. And because Spain vele badume ngokupasana. Do you see? They did almost 800 passes, while Argentina is about 300. You understand? It's hard to play in a team and just same as in terms of Sundowns. You understand? They are obsessed with passes. You understand? Goodbye, complete passes. So Spain, if we've checked, even after they scored a goal, my team now reason why after scoring a goal, they wanna change how they play. They wanna protect that goal and everything, and they're allowing Argentina. Argentina is dangerous because they are attack and once the team up is attack, eventually they score. That's what Spain did to Argentina because they were busy pressing, and they scored. You understand? So Argentina available. I agree. But Cartevelle and supply. They were not playing football. There was no. That was a bad performance for Argentina for a final foot. It's even worse for a final game because you always know about finals. There's always that thing to get Tonzana. You understand that? It's go by a game. Normal go 50-50. The final last World Cup, Argentina and France, we final. Because it was goal after goal. Like okay, I'm watching a final game. But with this one, you understand? Because I told the Jets, good, let's just wait for the first 10-15 minutes. This was Chile Guti, is in our one. And we saw what's already in Spain. They've been dominant. And what I liked about Spain, they scored that goal. They never panicked. Even the last 3 minutes of the game, Spain, it's a controlling. It's a controlling game. In most cases, it's in the last 5 minutes, they want to press and put pressure and none. But Spain didn't allow them. You understand? That was an embarrassing performance for Argentina. You understand? So it means they were exposed to fail. Because Ukumbulo also Argentina, they were playing AFCON before Bodlan England. Do you get my point? So obvious, those African teams, they are nowhere closer to our Spain and our England and our Ban. You understand? So obviously, it's gonna be working. No matter about Ropang, but we expected them to win, really regardless, right? My fear about Spain, that luxury when you're playing with these smaller teams than none. Me, I respect Senegal more than Argentina. Senegal, but they were grouped. Nama team are strong. Senegal, Senegal. Senegal but if you can look at the group of Senegal, that group was hectic. You understand? But the Senegal is low. About 3-2. They were scoring even though they were badly. And I don't know if it makes sense. Rather go to Pume like that than go to Tole. Walk throughout until the last games. That's what I paid to Argentina. Because Argentina, it was never tested from the first game till the line in England. Do you get? So my line is Spain. Because Spain already best defeated in Portugal. And Spain as we spoke about meeting Argentina, they've been considered more money. They are core. You understand? Spain, but consider only one goal in this tournament. One. You understand? So that means you actually defense. Yeah, or information about the is very powerful. Argentina, the left and right. We know about they were never easy. Look at the game on the Cape Verde. The last team we never thought would sing actually is Argentina, but they struggled to shy Cape Verde. You know, so. Mabodla in Spain, that was a different. Even though I was being each good to battle and Argentina, I was winning World Cup, you know. But Spain, it's about pretty. But also, we always well about to break camera records. They broke a record after 6 years. That record is very important. But we are until Basboy showing which. But the whole game without. Yeah, but what?
Ngeke phinde ibe khona into enjalo. Angeke. Ngisho ngalandi Pirates ngeke.
Takauza?
No, I'm sorted. Thanks.
Okay. Okay. Moving on. This one is about Ro.
I want to think in a pork. Who's the house? It's like Chela. Ballon d'Or one is.
No, asikho lapho. That one I know, asikho lapho. This one, it's so, yeah, it's about
Rodrigo. Oh, yeah.
Yes. Yeah. So it's against Messi and the Golden Ball debate, ne? So, okay, do you think we deserve the one we win, or it should be given to Messi? Yeah.
to be honest, I was favoring Spain, but I don't think Rodri deserved it, right?
Yeah.
They should have looking at the stats. Let's forget about Roach or politics, right? Looking at the stats, Messi, nama stats, Ewaga Rodri, right? Rodri played 0 goals, 0 assists. If you guys are aware, if I'm aware, he had no assist, no goals. You understand? Yeah, maybe contributing in the game, but I don't think personally, because football it's all about stats end of the day. It's all about the performance end of the day, right? Looking at him, no Messi, because of us, I think Lentole doesn't mean good to to the winning team. If in finals, they can be anyone, even from the losing team, you can get the best player from the losing team as well. You understand? So for me, Mom compare no Messi, which he scored almost in all the games. On assist, on goals. You know, for me, I should have. I was not a fan of him on this World Cup, but I think they should have given to him.
So do you feel the same way even Nangele Yamako hip?
Goalkeeper good team.
We are deserve
Martinez.
Yes.
Yeah, Martinez
No,
go Peterson we Argentina.
Akaitholang
Yeah.
To Spain.
Yeah, I
Spain
told her,
goalkeeper.
Mama
I'm
go
asking
Peterson we Argentina because like he performed more than those player we Argentina, understand?
But-
So if Boxwa nah, they don't deserve looking at because Kumbulo Argentina, the way Spain
You're not answering my question. You're
do I think
explaining my
Argentina
question.
would say deserve now?
Yes.
According to
No, not where Argentina, Spain. Do you think who goalkeeper Spain deserve because we win?
Yeah, we deserve
deserve.
because obviously, as actually you consider just one goal, then
played all the
Emila is so.
It's not the same thing because Angithi Martinez Martinez usaving I think 11 per game.
Okay.
And
defense based swag.
in the
2026 World Cup.
Yeah.
Ne? So now it's a record breaking. Yeah. So this one unama clean sheet out 10. It's also record breaking. Kule World Cup. So both to ba as funny na
But to consider how many goals
Uba.
Martinez.
1.
More than each and every game.
Nyang understand what
Yeah,
What
ngiyakuzwa.
are you basing that on the
Say-
that game in
Final.
particular?
Yes.
No, not on the final. We thatha phela angithi ama record we World Cup yonke, tournament yonke. From kuma group stages up until we final. So if maybe the city is funny man of the match, then we will give it to yena ukuthi
Martinez,
namhlanje
yes.
usebenzile usave kangaka. But if you consider, let's say you consider kuwo wonke ama game owadlalile and the other goalkeeper akaconsideranga, then that means lo goalkeeper wenze ispan. Same as Peterson no Chain. So that's how we are rating them. Mina, I wanted to go to lento le ega Rodri. Also, if you compare Rodri no Messi, we should also consider which they are not playing the same position. So it's difficult for Guti City Lona sizom judge ngama assist nama goal while anga team yakhe ngaconsideranga and kumsebenzi wakhe ukuthi like as the second defense because of angithi bebadlala that 4-2-3-1 system yana le. So lama defending midfielder lawa yiwe bewayenza ukuthi uMessi angakwazi ukudlala. So according to me uspanile lo muntu
So
lo.
lentwana esiluthu Kukuri or one.
I wing right back left
Yeah,
back.
I'm saying ukuthi
Left wing back.
but he played better than Rodri on this tournament.
Because a position abayifani.
Yeah,
Ukukurela
I get it.
Yeah.
So do you think Rodri think bamnike that award because of the position he plays, or because of the
no,
contribution he made to the game?
i-contribution ayenzile angeke ukwazi ukuyimeasure yaka Rodri because of
So how did he win that award?
ngithi it's because of when you can't measure it.
Who can measure it?
If ubheke ngokuthi okay ukukurela ngithi uya overlap
Right centre back, yeah.
so udlala emuva lo muntu but uya overlap then uzombona all the time. So how do we measure contribution ya the player? It's because abaconsideranga more goals, then that means wenzile umsebenzi wakhe. Ispan sakhe bekuyileso ukuthi kumele singaconsider.
So it was according to you, it was the right call for Banike.
Yeah, I mean I think it was right ndani ukuthi banike uMessi.
No, but even now Spain, and I'm looking give it like Spain.
No, yes, mina ne. Rodri is something else, guys. Yes, Rodri udlala ibhola ungamboni, but he's there. That's the thing about him. And you know, there's this thing evelile clip show ukuthi at the beginning of the season uPep oyikhulumile ngayo ukuthi after injury yakhe ukuthi he won't be at his best during the process of the season, but by the time a World Cup figure, he will be at his peak. Like when I read that, it made me realize what sometimes I'm a coach, I'm a player, wow, because maybe if check a recovery period gradually also and he went into the World Cup and became a beast. And remember, Rodriguez is no stranger to causing controversy when it comes to big awards. He won the Ballon d'Or and everyone was asking themselves, yeah, understand. So, Nale, you won't see him. He's not flashy. He's not someone Oguguti you stand and wait for a wow moment from him, but he's there. He does the basics very, very well. Where he breaks attacks, he starts attacks. He breaks attacks, he starts attacks. So a player like that, it's very rare to find in modern football because everyone wants to be seen now. Everyone wants to try and do step overs and stuff like that to be remembered. That one doesn't do all those fancy things. He just does the basics very right.
Okay, true. Ukuyenza nje ibe simple. Look at England, ne? If you remember the causa game Argentina. Bakhiphe uDeclan Rice. Yes. Immediately mabaqeda ukumkhipha.
Yes.
Ngeke umbone that person egroundini, but immediately mabaqeda ukumkhipha exactly la beka khona. That's when ibhola lisuka khona mali yongena. Bakore balapho. And if bebangamkhiphanga lela goal belingeke lingene because of uye bekazo destroy that attack. Thank
True.
you.
True, very true.
Oh, diyavumelana.
iPirates iyadlala guys, score 3-1. But we can continue.
Yeah, leader.
Iyadliwa. Bengi-update team.
Oh, Pirates yadliwa.
3-1.
Oh, hayi intamanti.
Ayikapheli.
Oh, idliwe.
Idliwe nge-3-2. Ayiphelanga nge-3-2, idliwe 3-2. Yes, Musa.
Ikorile.
Idliwe.
Ngakhohle ukuthi ikorile.
Yeah, ifana neArgentina. Yeah,
What
1-1.
Yeah.
Okay, this is our last one. It's Ballon d'Or.
Ballon d'Or.
Yes. So we all know that it's coming up. So one of the main Ballon d'Or 2026 criteria will be individual performances in big. Okay, so it will be individual performances in big and important matches. So which player do you think have delivered in the biggest games when it comes to this season? Or ucabanga ukuthi uyayideserve the award?
Mina ngingalakudala shamkhohlwa. Leyo ngingalile leyo.
So waphumile before the World Cup, and Dembele was leading. You understand, with a huge gap, you know.
And after the World Cup, drop in.
After the World Cup, udropile. And Nalabam leader, their World Cup player, they were absent. Yeah, but so it's going to be a bit tricky now because now people wanted to push for Yamal to win the Ballon d'Or, you know. So now they were explaining actually now whether I win, no World Cup, it doesn't automatically makes you a Ballon d'Or winner. You understand? So
in the World Cup here.
So there's a lot of things that they look at, you know. Even though I'm feeling like Buffalo push for Mbappe, but I don't know what's gonna happen, you know. But Dembele, I don't think they're gonna give him this time around because Dembele and I didn't really have a good season even now with PSG. You understand? Go World Cup, I think ube visible la kuri hat-trick on that game. Amayama game was beka. So I don't think Dembele deserve it this time around. You know, I think it was just tricky season for Ebola in general because we don't know. For Mbappe, reason why he candidate go on kama tournament was like League, beginning top scorer in everything that he played this season. Even though anga winanga any of those things, but when it comes to goals and performance, he was up there. You understand? Go on Kindao, you know. So I think that's why now they're trying to move that to Mbappe. Yamal for me, I don't think that boy, I got my stats are sharp, man. If you can check, even last season, season, Namakola 9 or so, you understand? So, World Cup plays 0 goals. That's another thing. Yeah, he's a good player, he contributes a lot, big time, you understand? But, good thing, ingam allow, good see, I win a Ballon d'Or, it's going to be a problem because if you can check a track record, yeah, but won't come to go win the long. I'm a Ballon d'Or. You know, with people who are scoring goals, like one of contributors are cool to the team, good to go in something big, and also nama goals they mattered. Unless this time around they'll want to shift it because won't come to go win Ballon d'Or. Go to look at this is in labor winning I who pay good ama goals about Korea. You understand? So this time around, it's going to be a bit tricky.
Takaza, we only have a minute left.
Mbappe.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm also Mbappe.
When I saw Vela Wingen,
angishilo ngathi mina ngigive up ekudala lento lena yazifanela yes uMbappe ngiyamthanda umfana
But-
yeah but nje
What do you think? Let's forget about give up. What do you think?
I think kumele ithathe 2-3 season ingekho nje
Ballon d'Or.
ikivalwe iqalwe kabusha.
But according to you,
but ikhona nje. And
Currently-
people have been playing ama tournaments are different. So you don't have
according to you,
anyone.
who deserved it?
So far okay based on the performance of World Cup I think uMbappe yesuvelele usiphakamisile isandla because ama goal futhi abekhona wenze something kumele ayenze so I think yeah singasho njalo sathini because niyangiforce
Musa. Ungathi mahopa hle.
enangasho
No, I actually I don't follow football ngaleyo ndlela. I follow just one particular club.
the one that
Pirates.
lost
Oh, le phela.
the one that lost
Oh, shame, Ben. It's a shame. For me, I think it would be fair to with who UEFA winner one.
But I saw Uguti, I saw
PSG.
PSG.
no, but I think we deserve it because I saw a picture. I think Ubanu Road.
Rodri.
Yes, because
Again.
Uwine. No, I don't know who to win it, but I saw win my Euro. You know those.
Yeah.
I-
Yeah.
No, but those are his accolades along the way. Rodri, agaiwina.
But you know that last Ballon d'Or, he career ki deeply, emotional career because there was a lot of controversy behind it.
Yeah.
In the career, to be honest, he because of that.
he was
Una trauma that guy. I am telling you, he Ballon d'Or, I'm traumatized because you know he was hot that guy before the Ballon d'Or. After the Ballon d'Or, the controversy was too much. You understand?
The injuries made it even worse.
Yeah,
Yeah, but then I.
no, I don't see him. Let's just give it to Mbappe, man. That boy is a scoring machine. It's unfortunate to win any silverware this season.
Yeah, but then how do you justify not winning even
And
the league?
Yamal is a candidate. And that means Yamal is the candidate. Yeah.
no
I said something. Ngithi mina. So about I think bengikhuluma I forgot which is Spain or Argentina, but my point was, as much as a team in the star, ukubonisa ukuthi asista is team, but a team mayisebenza yonke. That's why ingcineni achiever whatever results and achiever. So it goes to case Mbappe. Mbappe as an individual, yeah, he deserve. But as we are one Real Madrid, maybe that's why bangakhona win or whatever.
That's the point I was trying to say. For them not to win the league, it's diabolical, man. You have Mbappe, you have Vini, you have Bellingham. Like, just that front three should send shivers down the spines of any team in the Spanish league and in the Champions League. You understand? If you can go according to performance, Mbappe, Bellingham, none in this World Cup.
Yeah.
So as a
And the funny thing,
but the machine is going there
and
next
speaking
season.
of that, like the best performing players, Global Cup player, look at Madrid players, by the way. Mbappe are my stats. So the Madrid, the best performing players, it was the Madrid. Most of them was the Madrid players, you know. So it means they do have the resources of Madrid. But how do you explain them not winning all of these things?
And then Ngapa, the Spanish national team didn't even call one single Madrid play. You see how
Basayina
ironic
correct.
it is at times.
But likely they've won World Cup. What do you think? It's good. The same thing in Kaizer Chiefs. No, Hugo. You
No,
know?
but we spoke about that. The Madrid guys, it's being dominated by most foreign players. So chances of which bazosayina amanto it was very slim. Bekumele basayine bani, babize bani anyway.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Please continue to like and subscribe. Let's grow our channel together, guys. It's Siyabonga Leboha.
usibongile.
Sambin. Sambin.